guys, I'm a big Method fan. I have a lot of their different supplies. I've got some cleaning supplies, I've got some laundry detergent. I really like this laundry detergent. So this is a different scent than I've tried before. And I'm super excited about this one. I love beachy tropical scents, and this one is called Beach Sage. So it's a really good combination of scents. I love this. I feel like my laundry comes out smelling so good. It does such a great job of just cleaning my clothes. I love Method. I think that their stuff is really, really great. This does about 66 loads, which is super nice. That's quite a few loads, so you're getting good bang for your buck. It's a good size container. It's not like you just have a couple loads in it, so that's really, really nice. It has stain lifters, it helps brighten colors, and it has a good fragrance, and I can attest to all of those things. I really, really enjoy Method. So if you're on the hunt for a new laundry detergent and you're just looking to switch it up a little bit, or you have other Method things and you want to try their laundry detergent, I can definitely say I love it. I use it. I have repurchased these items many, many times. So check out Method laundry detergent. I'm a big fan.